Right here is my 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3-liter turbo diesel. I wanted to change the tow hooks to the red tow hooks. I wanted to powder coat my tow hooks red, and it is a major pain in the butt, especially on the driver's side. I was successfully able to get it off. Actually, once I figured out how to get it off, it took me 2 minutes. The passenger side was very easy. There's nothing in the way. There's no frame or other mounting bolts in the way, so they came right off with no problem. But the driver's side, even if you were able to loosen the tow hook bolts, you still would not be able to get it out. You really can't see, but first of all, this air shutter is in the way. But even if you were to remove the air shutter, there's a bolt up near the frame that if you were to remove the tow hook bolt or loosen the tow hook bolt, it still would not come all the way out. So the only way to get that out, that bolt, is to use this reciprocating saw. So what you do is you loosen your tow hook bolt as far as you can get it, and then just cut that thing off, go to Lowe's and get you a new bolt, and then that's the only way to do it. Installation is easy once you put the tow hook bolt, the long bolt, in the other way so that you can properly tighten it down. And obviously you won't see it, won't matter. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope you enjoy your new colored tow hooks. This job took me 2 hours until I finally figured out I'll just cut it off. It could have taken me 20 minutes if I would have used this method first. Thank you. Have a great day and enjoy your new colored tow hooks.